Good evening, everyone. So, today our topic is on hydrogen bonding. So, today's date is 13/12/25. Talking about hydrogen bonding. We are going to talk about hydrogen bonding. Now, what is hydrogen bonding? What exactly is hydrogen bonding? We are going to talk about it. So, before let me show you a small thing about hydrogen fluorine bond. For example, here I have taken in hydrogen. Here I have taken in fluorine. One is for hydrogen, one is for fluorine. We know that the electronegativity of fluorine is about 4.0 and for hydrogen it is about 2.1. So what is the electronegativity difference between the two? That is electronegativity difference of between H and F is 4.0 minus 2.1, that is it is 1.9. So what does 1.9 justifies? It tells that there is a kind of pull more towards the fluorine, which explains that fluorine is more electronegative than hydrogen. And here the hydrogen is less. That is a more pull, a force would be towards the fluorine. This is how I can say that it is a covalent bond first. It is a covalent bond. Now, talking about, if I say that similarly another molecule, talking here, there is another molecule for hydrogen and fluorine. There is another molecule of hydrogen and fluorine. But before that, I can say that since it is more electronegative and it has a most force towards it, and it is here less, it is here more, which tells that there would be a del negative and here would be a del positive symbol. Similarly, in this also molecule, in this molecule also, there will be a negative and there will be a positive. So this bonding, this kind of bonding is known as interhydrogen bonding. Interhydrogen bonding, or I can say intermolecular force, intermolecular force or bonding. Here, two, three properties can be said as that. Here, first point, chelation or chelation might occur. Here I can say that chelation might occur. Since it may form, but it's not sure that whether it is going to form a ring. I can show you another example of it. Here, due to the interhydrogen bonding or intermolecular hydrogen bonding, here chelation might occur. Second thing, it has high melting point and boiling point. It has high melting point or boiling point. Third, very important point, what it can be? Chelation might occur, melting point, high melting and boiling point. One more important point was there. It is less volatile. It is less volatile. Here I can say that in case of intermolecular force or intermolecular hydrogen bonding, the chelation might occur. Maybe it can form a molecule if I can show it here. Another, it has a high melting and boiling point and it is less volatile. Now, similarly, where is the duster? According to me, the duster is here. Now, talking about, if I can draw it again, another example of this similar kind. I hope you have noted this down, and if you don't, I'm going to give a PDF for you in the videos description box where you can find all the details of the video. Here I can show you another example where if there is a bond like this somewhere here, in this kind of molecule, this bonding is known as intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Intramolecular hydrogen bonding. That means here whatever the bonding was, it was between. Here it was between. But intramolecular hydrogen bonding means within itself. Within itself. If there is a carbon here, so here what can, here chelation will occur. That is, here they can form a ring. Here chelation will occur. Chelation will occur here. First point. Second point would be here what? It is, it has low melting point and boiling point. Third, it is more volatile. It is more volatile. This is how we define the hydrogen bonding, that is intramolecular, and here it is intermolecular. This is how we define the two hydrogen bonding. I hope you are clear with the topics, how you are going to show the hydrogen bonding, and various questions are asked in the examination for this, where you should remember what? You should remember this del negative, del positive. We should remember this intermolecular forces and intramolecular forces, where we can show where the chelation will occur, where it will not occur, whose melting point and boiling point is high, and how hydrogen forms a bond. What kind of bond hydrogen forms? It forms a covalent bond. I hope it was very easy for you to remember, and if there is any doubt, you can comment on it. Just go on the comment section, do comment it, like it, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.